Hello dear students, welcome back to the e-learning session. Now in the last video we have discussed about simple compound microscope, its parts, its structures and their respective role in the microscope as well. Now as there is an advancement in the science and technology, there is also an advancement in the instruments that are being used. Now here as you can see is an instrument that is electronic microscope. It is not electron microscope. Okay, electron microscope is much higher, having much higher resolution than this, but this is a electronic compound microscope. Okay, simple compound microscope we saw in the last class. Now in this class we are going to discuss about electronic compound microscope. What are the benefits that has been added and what are the things that are now done at ease, जो आसानी से हो सकते हैं by using the electronic microscope. This we have to study in this video. Okay students, so students, now we'll start with the introduction of its parts. So as you can see clearly, this is a microscope with much more dimensions and much more features than ever existed in a microscope. The features of this microscope are so astonishing that the scientists have performed so many experiments with quite ease by looking at this microscope. Okay, so now we are going to look at the individual parts. Okay students, now have a look at the structures closely. ठीक है, this is the light source. जो ट्रेडिशनल रिफ्लेक्टर होता है माइक्रोस्कोप में, दिस इज बीइंग रिप्लेस्ड बाय द लाइट सोर्स. यहाँ पर पीछे एक बटन है लाइट सोर्स के लिए. ठीक है, वॉच दिस वीडियो केयरफुली. एज सुन एज आई टर्न इट ऑन, द लाइट स्टार्ट्स ग्लोइंग. ओके, नाउ फॉर चेकिंग द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द लाइट there is also a screw here. This you can see a scroll bar, right? So we can scroll it and decrease the amount of light. For example, मैं अभी आपको करके बताता हूँ. Now see the light will decrease. See the light has decreased in the intensity. Now again as I am scrolling it, I am just scrolling it, then it is again increasing, right? So we can check the intensity as well. Now as we discuss in the traditional microscope, there is an diaphragm, ठीक है, to check the light. Now see, according to the vision that we are having, we can also set according to 10x, 40x and 100x as well. तो diaphragm checks whether light, यहाँ पर देखिए. Now this diaphragm is at 100x. Okay, as we can see clearly here, the diaphragm is at 100x and the light, see, light is minute. Now if I change it to 40, the brightness has increased. Now if I change it to 10, again it has become less. See, so as I keep changing, the amount of light falling over the stage also is decreasing, right? So this diaphragm is there for checking the intensity of the light. So this is the, as I told you, now this is the light source. There is a button for light source to turn it off, to turn it on, and then there is a scroll bar to scroll to check the intensity of the light. Now as we can see, this is the base. ठीक है, ये तो हमको पता है सबको. This is the base of the microscope. This is the arm of the microscope. Okay, so this is basically the arm of the microscope. Then this one is the stage of the microscope, right? This is the stage of the microscope. Then now the modifications are here. What modifications are there and what is the difference in the structures of this microscope we are going to have in detail now. Okay, now if you remember, when we put the slide on a simple compound microscope, we had only a stage clip. यहाँ पर भी clip है. See, this is a clip. For example, I'll place a slide here now. Okay, I have a slide here. I'll place that slide. I have placed it and now it will get fixed. So now this slide cannot move. Okay, but अभी यहाँ पर एक disadvantage है कि हम इसको move नहीं कर सकते. हाथ से कैसे आगे पीछे करें? We don't know na whether this circle, whether the light rays, okay, are properly falling in the center of the cell or center of the slide or not. So for that we have screws here. देखिए यहाँ पर स्टेज एडजस्टमेंट स्क्रूज है, दीज आर द स्टेज एडजस्टमेंट स्क्रूज. ओके, देखिए सी, by this I am moving it in directions. Okay, now if you want to move the slide itself, we can move the slides by another screw, right? So in both directions we can move the slide so that at a perfect place we get a spot exactly in the center. So this is the movement, right? And now the spot is exactly, the light is coming exactly in the center of the slide. So this will be visible. Now as हमको पता है कि इमेज फॉर्मेशन कौन करता है, लेंसेस या ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंसेस. ये हमारा रिजॉल्विंग नोज पीस, सेम ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंसेस होते हैं यहाँ पर भी, ठीक है. अब ये भी ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंसेस का कुछ विजन होगा और वो विजन यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, देखिए 100x. देन एक आवाज़ आता है जैसे सेट हो गया, राइट. एक क्लिक आता है, ये 40x एज यू कैन सी हियर, एंड हियर this is the 10x. Okay, so this one is the 10x, and every time the objective is set or not, it makes a clicking sound as we have heard now, right? So this clicking sound is necessary. It means that everything is in shape, everything is in proper shape. Let us increase the amount of light. So now these objective lenses we know, and now see, as the light is falling from here, light is visible here, and now the objectives are in place, then we can see here that a light source is coming. Can you see? Yes, in the video as well the light is coming. If the objectives are not in place, देखो objective मैंने हिला दिया सिर्फ थोड़ा सा, objective in place, again light is there. If objective are not in place, light cannot be visible, right? And we can even look inside the structure, that what is exactly. This is the image that is being displayed inside the ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस. ये ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस की वजह से यहाँ पर हमको इमेज दिख रही है. ओके, सो दिस इज द पावर ऑफ दिस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक माइक्रोस्कोप, दैट वी कैन सी वेरी क्लियर इमेजेस even through the camera. The image must be visible to you. Okay students, this is the eyepiece, so we can look by our both eyes. So these are the ocular lens, we can adjust according to our height. ये adjust हो सकता है, ठीक है. Then this hole can be adjust according to our sight as a whole. Individually also they can be adjust, right? So this is about the microscope, this stage clip we saw. Now if you remember, we needed to rotate the body tube by the screws. Okay, यहाँ पर भी दो स्क्रू है, ठीक है, बट रोटेट बॉडी ट्यूब नहीं होता है, यहाँ पर रोटेट होता है स्टेज. देखिए अब मैं स्टेज को थोड़ा सा ऊपर लेके जा रहा हूँ. Then again, so this is the coarse adjustment screw which is important for moving the stage in directions. Okay, ऊपर नीचे साइड में लेफ्ट राइट. ओके, सो ये करने के लिए कोर्स एडजस्टमेंट, एंड अगेन द फाइन एडजस्टमेंट स्क्रू फॉर प्रॉपरली ऑब्जर्विंग वेदर द इमेज इज विजिबल और नॉट. सो फॉर दैट द फाइन एडजस्टमेंट स्क्रू इज देयर. Okay, now the image is visible on 10x. We will try to see whether the image you can get in the, if the image will be visible, that will be great. Now if you can see clearly the image that is being shown by the microscope. So this is the image or the slide that we have put inside the microscope. All right students, so this here is the working, in this way the microscope works. So this is the microscope. और एक चीज़, अब यहाँ पर क्या होता है माइक्रोस्कोप में, सब लोगों को देखने के लिए जल्दी होती है कि नहीं, तो उसके लिए क्या चीज़ है यहाँ पर, there is one instrument here fixed, that is the camera. Okay, so this works as a camera. Now this instrument is itself a lens, एक लेंस की तरह काम करता है, ठीक है. It is fixed, it has a cable which if attached to a projector, then the vision can be seen in a projector as well. Okay students, so I hope that you have understood the working of this electronic microscope. Okay, and this electronic microscope you will get to work upon whenever you will visit the science lab. Maybe this COVID goes soon and you get to see the working of this फंटास्टिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट दैट इज़ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक माइक्रोस्कोप, बट इट इज़ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक क्योंकि आपको प्लग दिख रहा है, बटन शुरू है, ठीक है, मीन्स इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ऑल राइट, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस टॉपिक. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, टेक केयर.